video, we are going to talk about drill bits, or simply a drill, the cutting tool in a drilling machine. Drilling is a machine operation where a hole is made on a workpiece with the help of the rotating and feed motions of a drill bit. Drill bits come in various sizes, types, and materials, and they have a complex geometry and construction. So, let's begin with the parts of a drill bit. There are three main components: shank, body, and drill point. The shank is the portion by which the tool is held. This part is called the body of the drill bit. And this is the tool point, or just point, of the drill, where the cutting takes place. The shank may be straight or tapered. A straight shank is generally held using a chuck, while a tapered shank is held in the spindle directly. The body has several parts. Often the body is back tapered, that is, it becomes thinner towards the shank. This is done to provide clearance between the drill and workpiece to prevent friction and heating. There are helical grooves on the body called flutes. They have two main functions. One, to allow the cutting fluid or lubricant to reach the cutting point, and two, to provide an exit for the chips that are formed. This is the helix angle of the flute. Drill bits with smaller helix angle are called slow spiral drills, while those with larger helix angle are called fast spiral drills. Fast spiral drills are weaker, but they provide better lifting power, so they are used in deep holes. The stronger, slow spiral drills are limited to shallow holes. The part of the body between the flutes is the land. This is the part that provides torsional strength to the drill bit. There is a small raised section here called margin. This prevents jamming and rubbing of the drill and provides the actual cutting diameter. There is generally single margin, but there could be double or triple margins for very high precision and specialized works. The web is the solid portion of the drill bit, that is the thickness measured between the flutes. The lighter and weaker webs are 14 to 16% of the cutting diameter, while heavier webs for heavy-duty drills are up to 25 to 40%. The web is generally thinnest at the drill point and grows thicker towards the shank. However, some webs are constant throughout the length of the body. Now, let's move on to the drill point. These are cutting lips, or just lips. They do the actual cutting job. This is called the chisel edge. It is the end of the web that connects the lips. The chisel edge does not cut. It penetrates, displacing the workpiece material, and consumes 60 to 70% of the thrust. This face is called the heel. Now, there are a lot of angles involved that ultimately defines the geometry of the drill point. If we look from the side, this is the point angle. The point angle is generally 118 degrees. Higher point angles are used to drill harder and tougher materials. Now, looking from a side, this angle measured between the margin end and horizontal plane is called lip clearance angle. Lip clearance angle, or lip relief, is decided based on the drill diameter and hardness of the material. Insufficient lip clearance will cause rubbing and heat generation, while excessive lip clearance angle can cause breaking of the drill corners. It ranges from 24 degrees for soft materials to 8 degrees for hard materials for various diameters. The chisel edge angle is the angle between the chisel edge and the cutting lips. It is an indication of the lip clearance. So these were the main features of a drill bit. Hope you enjoyed it, and thank you for watching.